Welcome everyone to a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about quarantine, and I guess we're kind of all fed up with talking about quarantine, and this has been affecting us in many ways. For us in Ontario, we are, so far as chiropractors, we're not treating. I stopped treating March 17th, and later on, with our regulatory college, they had permitted in-person visits only for severe emergency cases, but other in-person visits were not allowed, obviously for obvious reasons. Like what the work we do, we're very hands-on and there's a lot of close contact, so the treatment is with our hands. Like that's what we do. It's definitely, the routine was flipped upside down. Like all of a sudden, I wasn't going into clinic anymore. I didn't have my routine. I wasn't dressing up every day, and not that I do dress up every day, but you put yourself together, right? Like, so whereas at home you're just like, ugh, like I don't need to wear anything special. This might change in the coming weeks, where I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but at the moment it's in person for emergencies only. This video is just about like what's in my quarantine bag, because I found myself not being organized. Like I usually have, you get into a routine, like you have your handbag that has everything in it, and all of a sudden it was like you've got to stay at home, so I wasn't carrying my handbag anywhere. And recently, when we were allowed to see emergency cases, and there were a few times where I did have to go in, I was so used to not bringing in my handbag that I was like, oh gosh, like I need to put something together so that I can be out of the house and have like my driver's license, because I think one time I did step out and I'm like, oh crap, I don't have my driver's license. So we'll get started. So prior to COVID, I was carrying my Chanel Maxi, which is a huge bag. Like it's great. I actually really love this size. I love it better than the jumbo, and I probably will do a video comparing the sizes, but I just like the proportions of the flap a lot better, and I can fit more things in it comfortably. So in here I had, like right now it's open, like there's nothing in there, but like there's a ton of space in there. And I had like my my wallet, I had like my keys, I had like card holders, I had like my makeup bag, I had like a bunch of receipts, like I had just everything in there. So I just put it away, and I was just bopping around like I didn't need a handbag. And so with quarantine, what I found was that I was able to now use like smaller bags, and what I started to use instead was this little guy. And I don't know if anybody really, I think some people say that this style is dated, and I don't think so. I really love it. But this is the Valentino Spike Bag, right? Yeah, the Spike Bag. And this is in the small size. So I know there's like a mini size now, which is kind of like smaller, but this is the small size, and then it comes in a medium and then a large. So I saw this on Sophie's show hat. She's got the medium size, and she got it from Louisa the Aroma, and a few months later after she got it, there was a coupon code, and then I picked this size up. They did have the medium size as well, but I wanted the smaller size because I found that the medium was very similar in size to a lot of the other bags that I have, so like I didn't need bigger bags, so I needed a smaller bag. And it's, I don't know if you can really tell, but it's got all these little spikes all over it, and you think that they'd hurt, but they don't really. They don't get caught on anything, and it just glitters and glistens, and it's silver, and I didn't have any silver handbags, but this is really comfortable to use. Like it's small, but it fits a ton. Like it has a turn lock closure, You open it up. It's made out of like lambskin, but it's really, really nice. Like this is like a coated material, the metallic, but I don't have any scratches or scuffs on it at all. And in here, basically, I've got a bunch of stuff in here and it fits things comfortably. I remember when I first got this bag, I actually was thinking of taking it on vacation with me because it can fit like both mine and my husband's passports. It can fit cash. It can fit mine and my husband's iPhones, and like a compact lipstick. Like it just kept filling up, and I was like, wow, this is actually really good. And plus it's like sparkly enough and fancy enough that if I wanted to take it as like an evening bag, it will look good. But even during the day, like crossbody, it actually looks really good. So what do I have in here? So I realized that when I went into clinic that I didn't have my keys. So the first thing I had to carry with me were my keys. So I have a key holder. This is a Chanel 6-ring key holder. So it's got all my keys on in there. And then there's a little pocket on the back. I can put like my card in there. So I have like my bank card in there, but I have my key holder. So at least I can get in and I'm not embarrassed at the front thinking, oh crap, I can't get in. Next, I've got my card holder. This is just like a flat card holder. This is from Goyard. So this is what I always carry in my other bag. So I just kind of swapped it over, and it has like, you know, my credit card, my driver's license, my health card. It even has like my Costco card in here. So, you know, so if I had to go to Costco, I could. So I've got that in there. And what else? Okay, so I have my coin purse. So this is by Hermes, and it's the Bastia coin purse. And you know, it's really convenient. You can just open it up and then you can just sort out your change however you want. I have a compact. So during quarantine, I actually wasn't wearing a whole lot of makeup. I was pretty much doing like moisturizer, sunscreen, and with the sunscreen, what it does is it kind of like fills in your pores almost. Like I felt like I didn't even need foundation. And then I would, you know, if I wanted to wear eyeliner, I would, and then just wear mascara and fill in my brows. And you know, if you're on the go, you do need to touch up, like, because you get greasy. So I realized that, okay, I should probably carry a powder with me because, you know, I'm going to be out and about. But nobody really cares what I look like these days. So what else? Yeah, I've got a bit of cash in here. You need cash. So and what else? Just got some receipts in here. So that is my little COVID bag. But I really was enjoying wearing this, like, because the strap on it is pretty long. Like, you could wear it crossbody. You can also wear it on your shoulder, and it sits at a really nice length on your shoulder. And the chain itself is like jewelry. Like I actually even took off the chain, and I'll show you. So the chain, at first I couldn't figure out how to get this chain off. Like, I felt really stupid because I was like, how the hell do I take this off? And I thought I had a defect. So so basically you gotta get them to line up. I don't know if you can tell, but you gotta get them to line up, and then you just take them off. And then when you want to put them back on, you put these little notches right on top of the other, and then you put it back in, and that's it. So you gotta really do it really slowly. I was doing it really fast and I was like fighting with it. But the chain comes out, so you can hold the bag just with the top handle. So I like this because it was like a clutch, but I don't have to hold it like a clutch. I could slide my hand in there, hold it like that, or I can hold it top handle. So that's why I like this style. But the chain, I realized I can wear it as a necklace. So probably not with this outfit, but I could actually like wrap it around. I don't know, let's see how that looks. Okay, so like, isn't that neat? Like, you can wear it as a necklace. So I felt like that was that was really good. I like getting multiple uses. I probably won't wear it because I don't wear a lot of chunky jewelry anyway because it gets in the way when you work, but it's nice to know that you have that option. But anyway, so this is how I'll wear it, and you could slide it through the bottom loops there. So if I slide it through and then clip it back on, okay, and then you can double strand it. So sometimes I like to wear it like this with the chain just hanging at the front. Basically, you can carry it like this. Sometimes I'll put like the chain, one strap in front of the top handle and one strap on the back of the top handle. And that way the handle kind of just stays up and it doesn't do that annoying flop. Like some people like the look of that. I like showing that there's a gap between the top handle. So I'll just pick it up and I'll just like put it on my shoulder. And it hangs at a pretty comfortable height. Like you could really get in and out of it really easily. And because the leather is so soft and it's so forgiving, like it's really like it feels so nice to use. And then you can of course put it on your shoulder, and in that case then the strap will come down, but you can wear it on your shoulder like that, or you could wear it crossbody like so. But I've been wearing it a lot as like a shoulder bag because it's long enough, like it's not like up in your armpit, which is annoying, right? So yeah, so when I picked the silver version up on Louisa Via Roma, they also had the gold, and I'll show you why I bought the gold. So let's look at the gold. I have it wrapped in the dust bag, so it has a little felt cover, and the chain's inside. The chain is gold, obviously, so it's a gold chain, but this is in the color Platino. And it's a beautiful like champagne gold color. And the reason why I bought this is because I have the matching shoes. So I got these from David's, which they're no longer around anymore. They were like a high-end shoe store in Toronto. Didn't see this combination anywhere. Like I bought this like I think 2 years ago, and now I think you can find them online on their website. But the color is Platino, so they're really, really nice gold calfskin, and then the gold metallic straps. They're not the nude straps. And you know, like as a brown person, I needed some statement gold shoes that were comfortable. And I love Rockstuds. I know they've been around for a long time now. Like they're kind of like 2010, like that era, but I think they're pretty classic. So got the matching bag, and I've been wearing these two together to many parties, and probably won't be wearing them this summer because unfortunately a lot of events have been canceled. So, but safety first. So they'll get worn again. Am I being excessive with two? I don't know. They're two different colors, two different looks. It's totally fine. I can totally wear it. Actually, I can wear these during the day. It really doesn't matter because it's such a small bag, but they're so soft and so easy and comfortable to wear. Like you think with the spikes it's going to be uncomfortable, but they're not. Like they're really, really nice. So I know this bag comes in different colors. So if anyone is looking into getting this, I think they're really pretty. I know I'll probably insert a photo here. There's a nude color. It's called Poudre, and the champagne, the Rockstuds there in the champagne color looks so beautiful in that color. And the medium size is beautiful. Even in the black, the medium size is beautiful. So if you are looking for a very comfortable, easy to use bag, I would highly suggest this. It's really well made. Like the quality is really nice. I probably wouldn't go larger. Like I probably wouldn't get the large size because what happens is that this part starts to sag. Like when you carry it, it starts to droop in. So medium or smaller, you're good. There's a ton of space in here. So that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.